Welcome to the Ignite Your... Welcome to the Unleash Your Creative Brilliance workshop page. So, are you curious and interested in learning about how to utilize the tool of Chat GPT to really leverage the amount and quality of content you're able to put out into the world without giving your own authentic expression and voice up to the land of robots to do the talking for you? Because there is a way. And would you love to learn another tool called Descript that will support you to turn your video or podcast content into beautifully, succinctly written articles so that your audience can read, watch, or listen to the types of content you're putting out there? Every single creator out there, you need to be creating content to read, listen to, and watch. And I'm going to teach you in this workshop. You're actually going to go through the process of creating one piece of content and turning it into audio, turning it into video, turning it into a podcast, designing a beautiful thumbnail image inside of Canva that is you in the picture, and you're going to publish it. Now, these three tools that I'm going to be showing you have accelerated my ability to create beautiful content for my newsletter. It's allowed for me to be communicating to my audience through my newsletter, 2 to 3 newsletters per week of content and coaching. And I'm going to teach you the different strategies for content creation that I'm using inside of Magic Media, that I'm teaching inside of the Magic Mind. And we're going to go through the whole process from start to finish, where you're going to get to know these tools so you can then take them off of this workshop and apply them inside of your business. If that's something you want, if you do want to be more prolific in your creative space, then this workshop is for you. Read the page and sign up today.